I got this by UPS yesterday. I've been waiting to actually open it on camera. So I've had it for almost 24 hours from YouTube. Excited to see this. Oh, I gotta get this one too. They had a fragile sticker on here that somebody tore off. Lots of taping. All right. You gonna see it with me? Here. Okay, a little presentation. It's a template letter, and it says "Dear," comma. They didn't even put my name in it. Do you remember your first subscriber? This is really sweet. But they meant to personalize it, and they didn't. That's hilarious. Okay. And they've got a little card in here from the people who created it. And it's all in plastic. Unwrap it. If you're wondering what this is my YouTube silver plaque presented to GloryB-TV for passing 100,000 subscribers. So it's a little bit, it looks like a mirror, doesn't it? That should be interesting. So I'm going to have to decide where to put it. Thank you so much for subscribing and participating. I've actually been on YouTube a long time, but I changed my channel niche topic. So it took a little longer to get to the 100,000, but thank you if you have subscribed. If you haven't, hit subscribe, hit that subscribe button. And if you also tap the little bell, then in the little bell in the upper right corner, either on computer or on your phone or tablet, when you click it, you'll be able to see any channels you subscribe to and click the little bell where you wanted to know, hey, do they have a new video that they just published? That's what it looks like. I have to decide where to put it. And thank you so much for subscribing.